It's going to take a while. I'm not going to say it's going to be done in a year or two, but they could begin. That's what I would suggest to the superintendents.
Reconciliation is something that's been needed for a long time. And it is important to talk about it so we can have better understanding of each other. So you don't judge me when I'm walking down the street. So you give me a chance.
Why are we sometimes lacking self-esteem? Why are we addicted? Why are we doing these other sometimes negative things? They need to understand the history, the past, and why, and the effect it has had.
When I think about reconciliation, it's a residential school. When we were in there, we were treated poorly. We were mistreated, everything that you could think of. We were lonely. So when I got out of the residential school, my mom wasn't my mom anymore. All the feelings were gone. So reconciliation is to be able to tell people the story of the struggles we have.
It's time that our Canada has come together and learned about us, who we really are after what they put us through.
Well, I think, first of all, they have to be ready to take those first steps. And because if they're not ready, then they're doing it as an order or a duty.
Like in my heart, I can say, yeah, they're sincere, but really down deep, is it for my job? Is it for my sense of being, my sense of knowing?
It's not a case where we're just leaving it to our schools to figure out. It requires a district approach, it requires strategic planning, it requires communication. It also requires just an unwavering commitment to ensuring that this work happens in every corner of the school division.
Being a part of our district goals has been really important in that it gives everyone a reference point of where we're starting from, that this work is important to our superintendent. So it gives us a good place to start the conversation of how we're going to move forward with reconciliation.
Having people like myself who do presentations in their schools would be a good start.
We've been fortunate to have some tremendous elders that we've worked with, some tremendous resource people that we've worked with, and they've been able to provide us with that truth piece. We have a duty, I believe as a Catholic superintendent, to ensure that our education system moves us along that path of reconciliation.
Other ways that you can be part of the reconciliation is to be part of our community, to be part of our celebrations that are going on within our own communities.
This is the place where they'll get to meet families. This is the place where they'll get to see our First Nations, inviting everyone outside the circle to come in and join the circle. When they come, that's part of building our children's confidence. Wow, you know, our superintendent, out of his busy life, he came here to participate. That says a lot to a child in their heart.
Light bulbs go on for people when they have such a powerful experience, and there's that automatic wanting to do something, wanting to be involved, want to being a part, a dedication and a commitment to being part of something that's going to make a difference. And I just really feel like we're at a major tipping point where people aren't just talking about reconciliation, things are happening, and it's exciting.
I just hope that reconciliation continues. I hope these 94 calls to action are not forgotten. And I love playing a part of it and sharing my dance, my culture, my spirit. And that's who we are.